Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Julia if you've never been here before, but if you have, hi girl, welcome back. I'm so glad to have you back. And the past few days it's been a little hectic, it's been a little crazy. The point is that since it has been stressful, the only way I know how to cope, unfortunately for everybody else, is retail therapy, guys. You know, some people eat their emotions away, some people work out their emotions away, but for me, girl, I need me some retail therapy. Even though it's early, you guys, it's like 10 in the morning and it's already been a whole show. So we're going to go to the mall right now. I'm just going to change and let out my frustration, bitch. Let out all the stuff that has been going on here. Hi guys, so I just got here. The only bad part is that since I came early, the mall just opened, so a lot of the stores are still closed, which sucks, but there is a Burlington and a Marshall's right over there, which I think I'm gonna go there first while everything opens. My man actually dropped me off here and he was like, what time do I pick you up? And then I told him the time and he was like, you're gonna be there for 3 hours. And I was like, yes sir I am. I need the shopping therapy, guys. I really want to go, so right now I'm walking to the Burlington. I really want to go to H&M and to Victoria's Secret. I don't know where else I want to go for sure, but we'll see where we end up. I'm gonna try my best not to spend too much money because I realize that it's not healthy to be yendo a gastar dinero when you're a little upset, you know, but pues así soy yo. I feel like Jenny, you know, when Jenny was like, así soy yo, me gusta la mota. No.
Estoy faking the funk, así soy yo. Me encanta la mota, me encanta ser buchona vibes.
Me when I asked my man to take me shopping. So yeah, llegamos a la H&M. I'm looking for this pink hoodie that I've seen all over TikTok. You guys, H&M is one of my favorite places to buy hoodies. The lighting sucks in here, but look how cute this is. And they're super good quality too. I really like them. Especially like the boys section hoodies, the best. Okay, I see pink ones. I don't like these though. So I'm Marshall's and I'm not gonna buy any more skincare because you guys saw I already bought a lot. But look how cute this one is and it smells really good. And then this one, it's like a Korean brand one. The Melling one smells so delicious. It smells like candy. If you guys see this one, I'm trying my best not to buy any of these things. But look at this. Don't these look like the Truly body polishes? How pretty. But I don't need it, so I'm not gonna buy it. Here's a progress. I'll give you guys a haul of what I get at home, but I just wanted to say that remember this thing that I bought last time? It sucked. Don't get it. Save your money, girls. I found this Chloe and Malika collection from Becca. I found a bunch of BH like products, BH setting mist, BH primers. I don't know if they're any good though. I might take this one just because it's on clearance. You guys always check your prices because look, these are the same exact product and I was gonna get this one $5.99 and then I saw this one $4.50. I know it's only like a little bit off, but check. Got the goods at Marshall's. You guys, the Marshall's line had me questioning my entire purchase. I was like, should I just leave everything? Is it even worth it? The line was huge. Now I'm in Victoria's Secret. Let's see what I can find. This one's like an outlet version, so everything's kind of on sale, which is awesome. The bags and purses section is honestly one of my favorites. I really want to find a wallet today. Honestly, me when I'm trying to convince myself if I should buy something or not. There's just something about walking with your bags that makes me so happy. Alright guys, so I am back. Sorry about the crazy lighting, but I didn't do much shopping and I didn't vlog as much as I wanted to, but I'll pick it up tomorrow. So let me show you guys what I bought. I only bought something at Marshall's and in Guess. So the main thing that I wanted to buy during this shopping trip was a wallet. I have been looking for a wallet for a very long time now. The one I have is just super run down. It's like falling apart. It doesn't look good, so I really wanted to find a nice affordable wallet. I was really hoping that Burlington would have something or Marshall's, but they literally had nothing. Okay, I really wish I had a TJ Maxx near me because I know that they would not let me down, but I don't, unfortunately. So I went into Guess. I couldn't find a wallet, but I found this little tiny like card holder and you can just hang it into your bag. So it looks like this. I need to take off this plastic, but it's so pretty. It's literally just for your cards. Small, it's so nice. I really love it so much. This is the only thing I got from Guess, And then from Marshalls, the first thing I got was this macadamia hair repair mask. You guys, I just dyed my hair yesterday. Even though I need to do it again because it's all patchy, but my hair, since I do dye it a lot, it is pretty dry. And I really like this hair mask. And on top of that, it was on sale, so plus win-win. It was $12. So glad I picked this up. Next, I got this Elf Daily Hydration Moisturizer. You guys, I love this moisturizer so much. It's so hydrating, and I usually buy it at Target for around $9 or $10, and at Marshalls it was $3.99. So definitely had to pick this up. I wish I would have found a second one because I would have definitely bought that one as well. So next thing I got was this Paradise Set Hydration Mist. The packaging is really beautiful. It was also on sale for $4.50. Always check your clearance section because this same product was there for like about $1.50 more. So always check your clearance section, ladies, and always check the prices because do not be fooled. I saw prices in the clearance section that was the same exact price as the original one, so always check. So the next product I got was also an Elf product. I got these booster drops with hyaluronic acid, so part of the Holy Hydration line. And to go along with that, also part of the Holy Hydration line, I got this Elf eye cream. I wanted to give it a try, and since it was really inexpensive at Marshalls, I checked the prices, almost 50% off for all of these. I had to get them, and that's really all that I got, you guys. I didn't really do much. I did spend a lot of time looking at stuff. Like, anyways, mañana I'll carry the vlog and we'll see what we do. Hi guys, welcome to day 2. I have a lot of chores to do today. I'm almost done with my coffee. My heart is going pitta-pat because I drank it a little too fast. I did my sugar cookie almond milk latte. Super delicious. Also, you guys, remember how I told you guys that I need a new wallet? Well, I found an older wallet that I had and it was kind of crusty dusty. It was a little dirty, so I decided to wash it, but I think I messed it up. Okay, let me show you guys what my little wallet looks like. It's outside currently drying. I messed it up. Ready to see it? So here's my other wallet. However I washed it, I definitely messed it up. I think there was like the leather was dyed or something, because look at all, that's not stains, girls. That is like dye, straight up dye. I don't know what to do now. I really want to go to TJ Maxx to find myself a new wallet, but TJ Maxx is pretty far from me. So look, if there's something that I need around that area, I'll definitely go and I'll try to take you guys, but I need a new wallet. I messed this one up. Do you guys know how I can save it? Because I do like it. It's just a little bit stained there. That's my washing machine singing to me. Ah, you guys, a busy day today. Can you guys hear it? Here, I'll show you guys. It reminds me of like the ice cream truck, you know? Hello guys, so it is now pretty late, many hours later. I have been a busy bee, cleaning the house, doing laundry, spring cleaning, everything, girl. So I'm spring cleaning. I took out everything out of my closet, and I have a donations pile, and then I have over here a maybes pile, and then back here I have like the winter bins. And as you can see, it doesn't close. So I was taking out everything from winter and then bringing in like the summer, spring clothes. And all the winter clothes is like puffy jackets, like big sweaters, and they do not fit in here clearly. So I was like, let me go to Dollar Tree because I know that they have these like vacuum seal pouches. I bought these before and they work really well. I really love them. So I was like, let me go over there because I need some to fit all of this stuff in our bins. So I bought some of those, and then I was like, you know what else Dollar Tree has? A bunch of other stuff. So of course I went to look around, and I have a bag full of goodies that I'm going to show you guys right now. Really quickly, I also have dinner making right now, so We're trying to do everything. Let me do this haul real quick and then I'll end it with our dinner. Alrighty, so most of this stuff is like hygiene stuff, body care stuff. The only reason I'm mentioning this is because you guys really enjoyed my previous video. Thank you guys so much. Let's go ahead and start. So the first thing I got was a loofah. This pretty pink loofah. It's actually really good material. It feels really durable. Next, I got this exfoliating glove, and I got this exfoliating washcloth. I really love these. One, because I feel like it exfoliates my body really well, and two, because I'm able to reach my back with these. I usually buy these at Target for like $4 or $5, but since the Dollar Tree had them, I was like, let me just pick it up here because it's way more affordable, and I like to switch these things out pretty frequently, and it can get pricey at times, so Dollar Tree for the win with these. And then I got this jade stone face sculpting thing. I don't even know what it's called, but basically you get this little tool and you go like this, and it's supposed to make your chin a little more defined. I used to have one before and it actually really worked, but I don't know what happened to it. I think I ended up throwing it out during one of my daily cleanups, as I do. So, and I couldn't find it. So I got another one, and for $1, yes ma'am, I got that. And then I got this hair sculpting tool. So if you go like this when you're in the shower, it's supposed to promote like blood flow and in turn helps your hair grow. So I got one of these. Then I got a lash curler, which I already opened. Sorry. You guys, fun fact, I know you guys saw me buy a lash curler in my other video, in the Marshalls one, but that thing broke like the first day I bought it. It was so unfortunate, but this one works amazing. I already tried it. You can see the glunk of mascara there, but this one works pretty good. For being from the Dollar Tree, it works way better than that one from Marshalls for sure. Next, I got this baby oil gel, and I got this because I've seen a lot of like the hygiene TikTok girls, a lot of the hygiene YouTube girls use this during shaving. So I was like, let me try that out because I am always getting like razor bumps and I hate it so much. And I was like, maybe if I have a better hydration, it'll work more. So I'm gonna try this out. I'll let you guys know if I like it. I got this Vaseline lip balm, and then I got these Always panty liners. These are always nice to have in your purse just in case, girl. I also got some nail files. My nails are always a little crusty. Hides them, don't look at them. And then I always like to shop the hair accessory stuff at Dollar Tree. Oh my god, my head looks so shiny, girl. I love Dollar Tree accessories so much, and I decided to pop in there and I grabbed this little white moñito. So you put it in the back of your ponytail. One, I love accessorizing my hair, and two, since you guys do know that I work at Starbucks, I always have to have my hair up and I feel like I look like a potato.
I'm a potato.
So it looks messy, right? But if I have my hair like this, and then I have the little bow, I think it would look kind of cute. Like, I also got some peach rings because they looked super good. They smell so delicious. I haven't had these in years, which is why I already opened them on the way here. But they're so good. And last but not least, I got me some baking soda because we are still in the cleaning phase. I'm gonna be cleaning for like the next few days. The spring cleaning takes a few times. So that is going to be it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and for everybody who recently subscribed. I am so happy and so thankful you guys have joined. As always, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys. I got my hair clip. I am now in full Señora mode drive.